The process of operating chassis and normal sound simulation machine. Use car lift to ascend the car. Put each device to the right position under wheels like the video. Two main machines are used for front wheels. Two frames are used for rear wheels. Release every foot to the bottom and fix it well. Then descend the car to the machine. Keep a gap of space between chassis and lift platform. Connect 380 V 3P electricity. This is the UF wire which must connect the ground. Turn on the power. The power indication light is on. Turn on emergency light to check the speed controller. Adjust its speed to the minimum. Turn on the motor. Then start the machine. Rotate the knob slowly. The settings of these buttons are preset well in factory. Please be sure to contact the manufacturer if you want to reset them. When working is finished, adjust the knob to make the speed the lowest. Then turn off motor. Quick stop to finish working.